Okay, drink we're about to make is called Tequila Pink. Now I've got a martini glass with ice and water in it. We're going to let that sit while we make our drink, and it'll be nice and chilled by the time we're done. Okay, measure out 1.5 ounces of tequila. There's 1.5. 1 ounce of dry vermouth. And 1 dash of grenadine. Just enough to give us a pink color. All right, shake it up. Get it nice and cold since we're going to be serving it up with no ice. Pour out your ice water. Get your strainer and pour it in. And it's a pretty pink cocktail. That is the Tequila Pink. Bottoms up.